Ready to hit the open road? Well, an RV is the way to do it. And this morning, we're going to go through the how-tos to make your trip successful. Craig Kreivling is a sales manager with Johnnie Walker RV, and he's going to break it down for us today. First, Craig, why should customers buy from JW RV?
That's a great question. Johnnie Walker's been a fixture here in Las Vegas since 1963. I believe we're the oldest RV dealer here in the Valley. We have 3 convenient locations up and down Boulder Hwy, which is awesome. The other benefit that you'll have is whether you have any needs for service or parts, or just simply an RV you're looking to take the road and explore, we have that benefits to do that. So if you have any concerns, we're here to answer your questions. We're here to make sure you're completely satisfied in your experiences, whether it be sales or service or parts. So we would love to see you all come down and take a look around and see what we have.
And the one you're in looks mighty nice. Tell us about that unit.
I'm glad you asked that question about the Heartland Elkridge. This is a 2021 Heartland Elkridge 37 bar. It's a wonderful floor plan. The beauty of it is you can actually have all the entertainment space you want, which is great. This is just one of the few floor plans that we offer here at Johnnie Walker, but the benefit to this one is whether you're in the infield at NASCAR, or you're at Allegiant Stadium tailgating, or you just want to simply take it out to Lake Mead. It's got a bar in it, it's got 2 big screen TVs, we have a fold-out bed, we have a master bedroom up top with a full bathroom. This is just a wonderful, wonderful coach.
And that unit, big special offer right now. MSRP is $81,595, but you can get it for $67,992. That's over a $13,600 savings. But Craig, let's get to know you a little bit. I'm assuming you're a fellow RVer, right?
You know, that's awesome that you asked that. And not many people are RVers that are in this industry, but myself, we are RVers. We spent full-time RVing for almost 11 months traveling the United States. But in our travels, we have spent the last 5 years traveling cross-country until we found this wonderful place, Johnnie Walker, that's loaded with great product and great people. Through our travels, though, through the United States as well as through Nevada, we have seen what every state has to offer, which is absolutely wonderful and spectacular. I think everybody should have the opportunity to get on the open road and do some traveling. But as far as myself, me and my wife have been able to travel from throughout the state of Nevada, all 28 state parks, as well as the 4 national parks that Nevada has to offer. It's beautiful terrain out here, as well as Las Vegas being so close to Bryce Canyon, Grand Canyon, just to name a few. We have a great location, but as far as myself, I've been here for 2 years, almost 2 years, and have just thoroughly enjoyed every experience and be able to share the experiences that I have with people that are coming in that are new to this, that don't understand the traveling. So it is a nice benefit to be able to travel and get out on the road and share your experiences with other people. And what other better way to do it than doing it here in an RV, which is great at Johnnie Walker's.
And if we want to get into RVing, what are some tips you can give us?
You know, the wonderful thing about RVing is every time you get in your coach, it's going to be a little bit different. Whether you're brand new at this or you've been traveling for years. The cool thing with this is you're going to learn something new about your RV every time you get in it. There's some little things that you want to know how to, because they're going to come up. And the biggest thing is this: if something arises, don't get frustrated and don't get upset. Just simply relax, because we can answer those questions for you here at Johnnie Walker if you come across them after your trip or before your trip. These are little things to know, such as what happens if you lose power to your coach? What happens if you have a dead battery? These are simple little questions that we can answer. Also, how to maintain your AC. We can show you how to clean out the filters, because it's very, very important to maintain your air conditioning unit, especially here in Las Vegas when it gets to be 120 degrees. Take it from me, I know, because we've experienced it. So the easiest way to keep your coach cool is to keep airflow as low as possible to the floor. Keeps the air circulation, keeps the heat from rising, which is great, so it allows your AC to come down, your cool air from your AC come down quicker. So that's just a little thing, but if you have any questions such as that, how to winterize your coach, real important, because if you're living in a cold climate, you want to make sure your coach is winterized so your pipes don't freeze up, so when you take it out the first time, you don't freeze up and blow your seals and blow your hoses. So it's real important to do that. So, but we here at Johnnie Walker, whether it's sales, service, or parts, we're dedicated to make sure that you're taken care of, your questions are answered, and you feel comfortable when you take your coach out. And sure, you're going to have questions, which is normal, but just remember, be calm. There's a simple solution to everything. So one of the simple solutions that we've learned over our course of traveling, which is wonderful, is a simple thing called unclogging your drain. Hair will back up, say in the shower, or hair will back up in your bathroom sink. So the cool thing that we've learned is there's a little science project we learned probably when we were in junior high school, which is an awesome thing. The benefit to this is your memory will start recalling, wow, we went through this in high school or junior high school. Is taking a cup of baking soda, drop it in the drain, take some white vinegar, and then you see an explosion go on in front of you, and that will actually dissolve the hair and open up your drain a lot quicker than using abrasive detergents and stuff like that down your pipes, because you don't want to have anything dry out your seals. So there are a few things that you're going to want to know. So the great thing is this, we're here available 7 days a week, which is great, whether it's sales, service, or parts. So we'd love to see y'all, and we'd love to welcome you here.
All right, Craig, we appreciate your time. I'm ready to hit the road. Are you? Do so by contacting Johnnie Walker RV. Their number is right there on your screen, or go to jwrv.com. They're on Boulder Highway and actually have 3 locations. They're a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend.